All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. We're actually gearing up to start our first project walkthrough. You can see here we had to open up a whole new folder for that. This is that here, the MCQ generator. And we're actually going to be using the command line prompt, not the PowerShell terminal. He said not to use the PowerShell because it's going to interfere. I guess it's going to throw errors along the way. I guess he tried to do it previously and experienced some problems. So we're using the command prompt. As you can see, it looks different than what we usually use, the PowerShell. So that's that. So we got everything queued up. We're going to be doing it in VS Code also. And we're only going to be using a notebook to actually, I guess, do a side by side. But we're going to be working mostly in the VS Code. We're not going to be using a Jupyter notebook. I guess we're only going to be using the notebook to, I guess, run specific aspects of the code along the way to test it before we actually implement it in the VSC. But we're mainly going to be working in the VSC, which is a good thing because that's what I'm used to using. So hopefully everything goes smoothly with that since we are used to using that. And yeah, that's it with the generative AI course. I just got everything geared up and ready to start moving forward with that. It was just a heavy lecturing night, and we took a little bit of notes, but we're just pretty much getting ready to start doing that project tomorrow. But I have been on the laptop all day, and I have been doing my own side projects with the Huggy Face, like I told you I have been doing. And I actually did a few models myself today on the side here. Now here's one of them that I tried to do, but unfortunately I got all the way to the end and found out that it wasn't compatible with the Python 3.11, which I'm using, and it says it throws an error saying that we shouldn't be trying to run from source using Windows. So we got two strikes against us trying to run this pretty interesting code here I wanted to implement, but I got the whole code done. It's like a, Game of Thrones universe where you download everything, all the information, and you write the code, and then you can ask the program any question you want about Game of Thrones, and it'll answer it for you. Yeah, that would have been pretty good to use, but like I said, I didn't have everything I needed, so we couldn't do that one. But the this model here that we got done, this question answering model, we actually got this one done and implemented that. You can see the model we used was the Deep Set Roberta Base Squad 2 question answering. And at first I thought it wasn't working. As you can see here, the questions. Well, this is the first one we had, the QA. This one on the bottom here to start with that one. At first I thought it wasn't working because you see the question is why is model conversion important? Context, the option to convert models between form and transformers gives freedom to the user and let people easily switch between frameworks. Now I ran it, it came back as a gives freedom to the user. So I'm thinking it cut off the answer of the context. It didn't give us the whole context, but I'm not thinking it's called question and answer. So this is the question: why is model conversion important? And what the program does is it goes into the context and pulls out the most accurate information to bring back an answer. And the most accurate information is it gives freedom to the user. So why is model conversion important? Because it gives freedom to the user. And as you can see, it starts at 59 and ends at 84. That's just the character count. So if you count all the way here, including spaces, to 59, you would get to G. And then if you keep on counting to 84, you would finish out to the space after users. So that's why you see the 59 start and 84 there. And then I asked my own question on top here just to make sure everything was working good. Why is Goku stronger than Superman? And you see, although many believe that Superman is stronger, the feats and achievements reached by Goku are on another level altogether. Goku is the ultimate warrior. So why is Goku stronger than Superman? Ultimate warrior. Start 139 and 155. So our program is working. We did this one ourselves without any coursework or instructors. So yeah, that was pretty good to get done. Like I said, we starting that project tomorrow inside of our course, and of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.